What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Sweet and Savory Barbecue. I'm your host, Jamie Trader. Today we're going to be doing jerk riblets on our gateway drum. Let's get started. So what we've got here is some riblets. They're basically just ribs cut into strips, and that's pretty much how we're going to cook them. They've got some membrane on there. I'm not going to worry about taking that off today. You can try if you'd like, but they're pretty small. That should render out for the most part. We're just going to get some seasoning on them. We're going to use Killer Hogs, Jammin Jerk. Get it all over them. That jerk rub smells awesome. We're just going to let them hang out while we get our drum going. To get our drum fired up, we've got our basket filled with royal oak charcoal. We've got a couple of tumbleweeds down in there. We're going to give them a light. We're going to let this drum hang out with the lid off for about 10 or 15 minutes. Get a good bed of coals. Then we'll put our lid on and start dialing in our temperatures. So our drum is about at 250 degrees. We're actually going to run the drum at about 300. But we're going to put these on a little early. They're not going to take very long. So we're going to get some added smoke flavor in there. Get the lid off and just lay them on the rack. If you are cooking on a drum, you want to come out here and spin the rack every 15-20 minutes or so. Let them cook nice and even. And then we'll come check on them and see where we're at as far as wrapping in about 1 hour. So our riblets have been on for about an hour. We're going to go ahead and take a peek at them. They're getting some awesome color. Check them out. We're going to give them a flip. Probably let them go another 30 minutes or so. And then we'll get them wrapped up. So it's been about an hour and a half on these riblets. They should be about ready to wrap. Oh yeah, they're getting some good color on them, both sides. Starting to get some drawback. We're just going to put them in this aluminum half pan. And then we'll go over here and add some stuff to them and get them nice and tender. So in our wrap, we're going to add some squeeze butter. A little pineapple orange juice for some moisture. Don't need a lot, a couple ounces. Some brown sugar. It's going to make them sticky, sweet. For a little spice, we're going to make our jerk sauce. Put that in there. I'll leave a recipe for this in the description and on the screen. Get them all nice and covered. And then just a little bit more of that Jammin Jerk Rub. That's it. We're going to get these guys covered up with aluminum foil, wrapped up tight, and we're going to go back on the drum. It's going to take roughly probably another hour or so. We'll get them tender. So our riblets have been wrapped up for 1 hour. We're going to come in here, take a peek at them. They're bubbling away. They're nice and soft. They break apart if I want them to. That's exactly where I want them. We're going to get them out of this pan and right on the rack so we can glaze them up. For our glaze, we're just using that same jerk sauce. Let's get it brushed on. We're going to flip them over to the other side. All right, let's get them flipped. Glaze this side. These things are smelling awesome. They're looking awesome. I can't wait to try them. So we've got our jerk riblets off the smoker after glazing. It only took about 5 minutes. We just got them laid out here on the cutting board. Before we cut into them, a quick review of what we did. We started with some riblets. I just picked them up at my local grocery store. We got them out of the package. No trimming needed on them. Hit them with the Jammin Jerk Rub from BBQ Right. Got them on our gateway drum running about 275 to 300. We used a little piece of oak wood for some flavor. Let them go about an hour to an hour and a half in the smoke. Put them in a full pan with some jerk sauce, some brown sugar, some squeezed butter, and some pineapple orange juice. Put them back on the smoker, covered them up for another hour or so until they got tender. You don't want them falling apart, but you want them pretty tender. Then we glazed them with that jerk sauce we made. Now we're going to cut them up. Just going to kind of cut them up into little chunks, whatever you think looks good. Careful, they're still pretty hot. That size looked good for me. And you can see they're just like little bites of rib. Tender, you almost don't need the knife. And that's what I call a pile of jerk riblets. I'm gonna get in here and try one. I've got some extra sauce. I'm gonna try it with that at first. That is dynamite. Bones come clean. Oh my God. Find another good one to dip in this sauce. These are awesome. Perfect little finger foods. Thank you for checking out this week's video. We hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos. And watch the next one we got picked out for you. And we'll see you next time.